In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of DJI mic. It's a wireless microphone. At the back, you can see some of the features of this DJI mic, such as 250 meters transmission range, dual channel recording, up to 14 hours onboard memory, portable, and it is compact, and it is widely compatible, and it has 15-hour battery life. Here is the model number of this mic, EST01. So without wasting any time, let's open this. You need to open the box from here. You can see that they have clearly mentioned open like this. In the box you will get following items such as charging case, receiver, transmitter, carrying pouch, hard shoe adapter, windscreen, mobile phone adapter, type C and lightning, and audio cable, instructions manual, clip magnet to charging cable. On the top you will find this box. Inside you will find the carrying case. Inside the carrying case you have the windscreen. You will get two windscreens and the audio cable, type A to type C charging cable, and also you will get the instructions manual on how to use this DJI mic. The quality of this carrying case is too good. And here is a charging case. Inside you get the mics, transmitter and the receiver. It is little bit heavy. Here you can see the DJI branding. You can charge this case using the type C port. Let's open this. Here are the indicators which show the battery percentage in the charging case. Inside you will find the one receiver, two transmitters. Here is the receiver. You need to set up this receiver. Since I haven't set up, it is showing the language. Here you can see the type C port and the on off button. On the other side you see the 3.5mm headphone jack and the audio out. And here is the transmitter. In the case you will get two transmitters. Both the transmitters are connected to the receiver by default. Here you can see that both the transmitters are showing the steady green light. It means these transmitters are connected to the receiver. And also inside the case we get this hard shoe adapter. You can use this hard shoe adapter to connect the receiver to the camera. You can use this DJI mic not only with the camera, you can use it with the phones. The benefit of using this DJI mic is that you can record audio using the camera and also using the phones. You can use Android or iPhones. For Android phones, you can use a type C adapter and record the audio from your Android phone. If you are using iPhone, you can simply use this lightning adapter inside your iPhone and you can record the audio. There is no need to buy extra accessories for your DJI mic. I will make separate videos on how to set up this DJI mic with camera or phone if you are using it for the first time. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.